Instead of guessing what might sell on Etsy and hoping for profitable results, I took a more strategic approach. I combined proper market research with a free AI design tool to create wall art that actually fits current demand. Using a platform like Alura, I was able to analyze the market, validate my idea, and identify a design opportunity with real potential. Then, with a free AI tool, I turned that research into a wall art design that has the potential to perform better, and the process is simpler than you think. So without wasting any time, let me walk you through on how to do this better step by step. In order to create a design that won't fall into an oversaturated niche, I use Alura. This tool allows you to analyze wall art listings, see when they were created, review engagement trends, and explore keyword competition. You can do this by going to the keyword research section and entering the niche you're interested in. From there, you can review competition levels and listing data. Personally, I prefer using the Alura browser extension because it shows insights directly on search result pages. After installing the extension, its icon appears alongside Etsy listings. For example, when searching for wall art, I could see performance insights attached to each listing. The most effective way to identify strong performing designs is by clicking the Alura icon on the side of the screen, where you can compare listings and use them as inspiration for your own designs. During my research, I came across a wall art listing titled Colorful Boho Wildflower Floral Botanical Wall Art. The design features hand-painted wildflowers arranged on a white background. It showed multiple recent cart additions, and when reviewing the most recent feedback, it was clear that buyers were still interested in this style. By clicking the Alura extension, I could see the listing had been active for 2 years and had consistent better performance over time. This kind of data suggests ongoing interest in this design niche. Another thing I noticed is that many of these wall art designs are sold strictly as digital downloads. While digital products are convenient, they often rely on higher volume to scale results. An alternative approach is to apply the same design to a physical product, which can broaden your audience and potentially increase overall order value. To make this possible, you don't need inventory or shipping logistics. The process is similar to selling digital products. You create the design once, and a print-on-demand provider handles production and delivery. After comparing options, I found Printify to be a strong fit for this workflow. Printify provides access to a wide variety of white label products that you can customize with your designs. It integrates smoothly with major online store platforms, allowing you to create products inside Printify and publish them to your store in just a few steps. And by clicking on this Printify AI feature, you can generate an engaging product title, descriptions. The AI analyzes similar listings in your niche and suggests structured listing details to improve clarity and organization within search results on Etsy. Additionally, Printify works with a global network of print providers to support consistent production timelines and delivery reliability. Later in the video, I'll show you exactly how to use this step by step. Now, to recreate a similar botanical design using AI, I found Canva's Magic Media tool to work well. Before generating the image, I crafted a detailed prompt using this format: hand-painted botanical illustration sheet, assorted wildflowers and leafy stems, soft gouache texture, warm earthy tones, coral, mustard, olive green, delicate line details, flat lay arrangement, clean white background, minimal shadows, printable wall art style. Once the prompt was ready, I created a new Canva project and selected a 2:3 aspect ratio. Then I opened Magic Media, pasted my prompt, selected the correct format, and generated the design. This was the result. I also experimented with additional prompts and achieved different variations. In total, I created over 100 prompt variations that can produce similar results. To make things easier, I assembled a wall art starter pack that includes 600 prompts, 25 wall art ready mockups, 10 thank you pages, and an SEO and sizing guide to support your workflow. And a special thanks to my Patreon supporters for helping make this possible. Now that your design is ready, you can either prepare it as a digital product by compiling your files into a PDF for Etsy, or turn it into a physical product. If you choose the physical route, the first step is preparing it for print using Printify. Before uploading, I enhanced the image resolution using Let's Enhance to reduce the risk of pixelation. This was the improved result. After enhancement, I uploaded the design to Printify. Once your store is connected, you can select a poster product and import your artwork into a white label item. Printify automatically provides default product details to streamline the setup process. To improve discoverability, I used Printify's built-in AI tool to generate a structured title, description, and searchable tags. Once everything was finalized, I published the listing. Finally, if you found this helpful, you can access my prompt list in the description. It can help reduce trial and error when generating designs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.